Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share a simple and delicious Chinese home-style dish, steamed pork ribs. This is one of those comforting dishes that's full of flavor, yet very easy to make. The ribs turn out tender, juicy, and savory, with a rich garlic aroma and deep umami flavor from fermented black beans. It's a simple dish, but always incredibly satisfying. I'm using some pork ribs cut into small pieces. First, soak them in clean water for about 30 minutes. This helps remove any blood and makes the ribs taste cleaner and fresher. While the ribs are soaking, let's prepare the seasonings. Mince some ginger and garlic and chop some green onion. Set the green part aside in one bowl and place the garlic, ginger, and white part of green onion in another bowl. Add some fermented black beans. Then pour in some hot oil to bring out their aroma. After that, add some soy sauce and oyster sauce, then mix everything well. Now it's time to marinate the ribs. After soaking, drain the ribs well and pat them dry with paper towels. Add the prepared sauce and mix well. Then season with a little salt and sugar. Finally, add some starch. This helps make the ribs more tender and give them a smoother texture. Mix everything well and let the ribs marinate for about 15 minutes. Now cut some potatoes into thick slices. You can also use other vegetables, like sweet potatoes or pumpkin. Lay them out evenly on the bottom of a plate. Once the ribs are marinated, spread them over the potatoes so they cook evenly. Bring the water in your steamer to a boil, then steam the ribs over high heat for about 15 minutes. Once they're done, sprinkle some green onion on top. The aroma of garlic and fermented black beans is so rich and savory. The ribs are tender, juicy, and full of flavor. And the potatoes at the bottom soak up all that delicious sauce. They taste amazing. If you are looking for an easy and comforting Chinese home-style dish to try, this is definitely a great one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.